In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a button in Framer. Now, by far the easiest way to do this is when you're here on your website, you want to hit F on your keyboard, and when you do that, it's going to pop up this frame function up here. So if it's not working for you, just click on frame up top, and then when you do that, you'll be able to go ahead and draw out a rectangle, okay? So just go ahead and draw the button. I'm gonna put it here in the middle, so just like that, just drag it out however you want it to look, and then release it, and there we go. It's going to put in your button. Now, of course, when you've done that, first you want to go over here, and then you can go ahead and just name it whatever you want to. So for example, you can double click in here. I'm just going to name it button for this tutorial. And if you now double click on that, you can go ahead and edit anything you want here on the right hand side. So you have the styles, you have the size. So for example, if I want it to be like 25, there we go. I've made it a bit bigger. You can go ahead and pretty much customize anything you want here on the right, such as the colors of your text, the colors of the background, stuff like that. Anything can be customized. Now, when you've done that, when you click on this over here at the top right, it's going to say link, and you can basically select where you want to link to. Now, this could be either a page over here or a URL. So as you can see right here, I can now, of course, paste in a URL if I do have it, which I currently don't. So I'm just going to link this to page 2 over here. And as you can see, I've now set it to where it basically links to page 2. Now, do I want to open it in a new tab whenever somebody clicks on it? I don't. So if I wanted to, I'd click yes, but now I'm just going to do no. Of course, you can then go ahead and customize it however you want to, with the size, the layout. You can basically change anything over here. You have the effects, stuff like that. Now, you can play with that if you want to. I'm just going to go ahead and change the color over here for now, so you see how this actually works. There we go. And then whenever you're ready, you can check if everything works good by clicking up here where it says preview. And then here, this is now your website. And as you can see, the button seems to be working because it's showing me the click cursor. Whenever I click on it, there we go. It's going to take me to whatever I've set. In this instance, page 2, which for me is empty. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.